In this video, I'm going to share with you my recipe for sweet and spicy garlic thyme pickles. It starts with 2 cups of sugar, a tablespoon of salt, 1.5 cups of distilled vinegar and 1/2 cup of water, a teaspoon of black peppercorns, and a dash of red pepper flakes, or 2. I just stir this all together and put it over medium heat, stirring it occasionally until it comes to a boil and all the sugar has dissolved. And while that is heating up, I'll turn my attention to the vegetables. I have 6 pickling cucumbers here, and I'm just cutting them into spear shapes. Making sure to trim the ends of the cucumbers off, because the blossom end of a cucumber actually contains an enzyme that can make your pickles become soft and mushy over time. I'm also slicing up an onion, just in the half-moon wedges here. And then I also have 3 cloves of garlic that I'm just going to slice up into slices. And a couple sprigs of thyme. I'll just strip the leaves off of that and add them to the mix. And once my brining liquid has come to a boil and all the sugar and salt have dissolved, I just dump that on top, stir it together, put the lid on it, and put it in the refrigerator. And here's the final product.